Hello everybody, this is another medicine. I haven't opened it yet. Here, this is Tylenol. It's still in the seal, but I'm unable to use it anymore because it's a spice. Because like I told you guys in my last video, open the medicine the last time. I told you guys these medicines I bought in 2022, just a plan to open for you guys to see, but they took my channel away. So after a year, is that, yeah, it's more than a year, I got my channel back, and then I forgot about these, and then I just dug them out a couple months ago, and then I started open one of them already. And here another one is a Tylenol extra strength. This one is of 325 caplets, and each of them is a 500 milligram. And they contain acetaminophen. That's for pain reliever and fear reducer. Yep, this is Tylenol for adults. So yeah, it's still in the cap, in the seal and the stuff here. And usually they have the, they have the expiration on the box. You have to double check the expiration date. They have stuck with EXP. So this is expired March 23, and I got my channel back on June 23. Here, the information, if you need any information, they have a phone number here, and yeah, inside here they have information for you to know. And this is a drug facts, and then this is a usual word, and then warning, the direction, and other information. And let's see. Yeah, they say here used for the common cold, headache, backache, toothache, headache, minor pain, arthritis, it's right, muscular aches, premenstrual and menstrual cramps, temporary reduce the liver. Then the top one, this session is a temporary release minor aches and pains due to this. My glasses, I don't know, sometimes I can read, sometimes I got a hard time to read. Okay, this for adult 12 years and older, adult and children 12 years and over. That's the information here. This one, this type will take 2 caplets every 6 hours while symptoms last. Number 2, do not take more than 6 caplets in 24 hours unless directed by doctor. Number 3, do not use them more than 10 days unless directed by a doctor. Anyway, yeah, you have to, each double check on the, the information on the box you buy, because this one is the old one, so I don't know the new one. How does it look like? How the information they have there. You have to go with that, the one you buy, you use. This one I just I try to open for you to see how inside does look like. This is Tylenol. Probably they still selling this type of, but I don't remember. Oh no, this one I bought in the Caplets supermarket. Yeah, the whole package. It's that still happen. Anyway, okay, let's open. Yeah, finally I open it. So let's done. Oh yeah, this one you have to push it down and then twist. Let me see this way. Usually the medicine bottle is like that. You have to press it down and twist. Hold, press out, hold, twist. That's it usually, I know, but maybe on others it's different. Yeah, they remind you this container acetaminophen. Always read the label. Okay, Tylenol. Yeah, also they have another salty seal here. Let me open it. Yeah, all inside is white. So the last one I opened, I think I will open after the nighttime is the ring. I have never buy the nighttime. Did I buy the nighttime timer? I don't remember, but probably I buy the new one and then open for you to see. Yeah, it's expensive, but also it's a cold coming soon, so probably I need it. So I will buy it. Okay, let me put this aside. So here, that's this I feel. Anyway, I don't use this. I don't use this medicine anymore because it's expired more than a year already. So I put it in here for you to see it. Yeah, the best is you know, is when you use it, you take one, don't touch your finger with the other, so it's not contaminate, or you can use something to pick it out. Yeah, but this is, I told you this, I don't use this anymore because there's already expired, so I dump here for you to see. Yeah. The medicine, I don't drink, I don't take expired medicine. I used to, you know, when I was in the school and kind of still young, and I just opened the cabinet and then grab a medicine, wrap a medicine, and I, you know, took it and dry, and then I didn't know that, I didn't pay attention to expiration, but later on, it's the symptom can go down, but it's like I have some kind of weird symptoms at the belly. It's a hurt in the belly or stuff like that. Or another get, I think another, I don't remember now. I got a couple of times, but I don't remember. It's been a long time. It's got another health issue too, but it's not a big deal, but it mostly is a pain in the stomach. So since then, every time I take a medicine, I have to double check the expiration date, because usually before when I got sick, some my family got and bought some medicine and took it, only a couple of them, and then the symptom is gone. Then the medicine stayed there, and then we forgot about that, and then years later, next year we were sometime we didn't get sick at all, and then years later, a few years later, we got sick, and then I took out, I didn't pay attention to expiration. So since I got a couple issue with my stomach when I took the expiration medicine, so since then I double checked the expiration date before I took it, because I think I got pain so bad that, you know, when you're young you pain a little bit, who care, you didn't care unless you cannot move. But that time, you know, I remember, and then I have to double check that. You mean, you know, that's how bad is the pain in the stomach at the belly. Anyway, here the medicine, the Tylenol for big bottle here. On each word they have here they have the Tylenol, and they have the amount is 500. This one 500 milligram. So in case you lost the bottle, you can see on the each medicine when you take it. There's a show here 500. That's the 500 milligram. I didn't pay attention this before until today. Today I show you, and then I dump the whole thing here and I see it, and then oh, okay. That's before I never pay attention. Here. Yep. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you next video. And dun dun dun.